Draw him in your mind, the goatee beard, the knee-length shorts, the backpack, call him what the fuck's his name. Now picture me. My hair is red these days with henna amber beads, and yeah, I'm thinner, see. My jeans keep slipping down, so for a day my name is Calabija. We bump, his coffee spills, I laugh, his shirt is wet. We're right outside a toy shop. We go in, it's called spontaneity. Look it up. He says the wind-up eyeballs have blue irises like mine. My eyes are sapphire, actually, I say. With dozy hipsters chucking coffee everywhere, I need a few more eyes. He laughs, I'm funny, I can't help it. He says something, then we buy them all, the eyeballs in the shop. He's got the money, but the thought is mine. We leave with 2 big bags of eyes. So then we're squatting in the Asian style. Easy for me, I'm supple on the pavement. So we turn the clockwork keys, and 2 by 2 we set our eyeballs free. They're hopping, clicking, like some kind of clicky hopping insect things you'd know. We watch small children pick them up. We watch black cabs and buses, crunching them to bits. So me, I say, that's so like life. He tells me I'm profound. I am. So tourists form a laughing crowd. We stand, we take a bow, applause, I hitch my jeans back up. I'm holding one last eyeball. It's clicking, vibrating in my hand. I hold it up in front of him, I stick it down his neither long nor shorts and say, I see you now. He wants my number, so I have to tell him, there are too many of me for you to know. I blow 2 kisses over my shoulder, 1 for him, 1 for the council sweeping man. He's brooming bits of broken eyes along the gutter. Exit me.